con mucho cariño para todas las mujeres.
Good afternoon, sunny SoCal. This is Jacob Comes. Yes.
The execs just won't get it right.
So, check them out.
panic in the